In this video, we will introduce the prep for H12-811 V2.0 HCIA-Datacom version 2.0 exam. Overview of HCIA-Datacom version 2.0 exam. Who should pursue this certification? HCIA-Datacom version 2.0 exam details. Knowledge content breakdown. Tips for exam success. 1. Which of the following layers in the OSI reference model provides connection-oriented end-to-end reliable data transmission services? A. Transport layer. B. Data link layer. C. Session layer. D. Network layer. Answer. A. 2. Which of the following commands can be used by an administrator to delete the IP address of an interface in the interface view? A. Undo IP address. B. Reset IP address. C. Remove IP address. D. Delete IP address. Answer. A. 3. When a Layer 2 switch receives a data frame, it forwards the frame by looking up which of the following tables? A. Fib. B. ARP cache table. C. MAC address table. D. IP routing table. Answer. C. 4. After STP is deployed on a Layer 2 switching network, a designated port needs to be elected on each link between switches. Which of the following configuration BPDU parameters is compared first during the election? A. Bit of the remote device. B. RPC. C. Bit of the local device. D. PID of a port on the local device. Answer. B. 5. When an administrator configures link aggregation in LACP mode on two switches, which of the following parameters is used to determine the LACP actor between the two switches? A. Interface number. B. LACP interface priority. C. MAC address. D. LACP system priority. Answer. D. 6. If the IP address of a host is 192.168.100.100/26, which of the following is the broadcast address of the host? A. 192.168.100.64. B. 192.168.100.65. C. 192.168.100.127. D. 192.168.100.126. Answer. C. 7. An engineer is configuring wireless services on a Huawei WAC and requires that the security policy be WPA. Which of the following configurations is correct? A. WAC WLAN Sec Professor Name, Security WPA Certificate. B. WAC WLAN Sec Professor Name, Security WPA Say Passphrase of 12,345,678. C. WAC WLAN SEC Professor Name, Security Open. D. WAC WLAN SEC Professor Name, Security WPAPSK Passphrase A1234567 AES. Answer. D. 8. Which of the following communication types do not belong to network communication? Multiple choice. A. Sending an email. B. Beacon signaling. C. Pigeon post. D. Downloading a file from a web page. Answer. B. C. 9. Which of the following are key information contained in the MAC address table of a switch? Multiple choice. A. Interface number. B. MAC address. C. IP address. D. VLAN ID. Answer. Abed. 10. The IP address of Geo 0/0 on R1 is 192.168.1.1/24. Which of the following commands can be used to enable OSPF on this interface? Multiple choice. A. R1 OSPF1 Area 0.0.0.0, Network 192.168.1.10.0.0.0. B. R1 OSPF1 Area 0.0.0.0, Network 0.0.0.0.255.255.255.255. C. R1 OSPF1 Area 0.0.0.0, Network 192.168.0.0.0.255.255. D. R1 OSPF1 Area 0.0.0.0, Network 192.168.1.0.0.0.255. Answer. A, B, C, D. 11. Which of the following fields are deleted from the IPv6 header compared with the IPv4 header? Multiple choice. A. IHL. B. Destination address. C. Options. D. Fragment offset. Answer. A, C, D. 12. Which of the following service requirements can be met by deploying VXLAN on a general-purpose computing data center network? Multiple choice. A. Expanded VM migration range. B. User isolation. C. High aggregated bandwidth. D. High availability. Answer. A, B. 13. Which of the following protocols can be used by the NMS to modify the configuration of a network device? Multiple choice. A. SNMP. B. RESTConf. C. NetConf. D. Syslog. Answer. A, B, C. 14. Which of the following databases are supported by NETCONF? Multiple choice. A. Less than candidate, greater than. B. Less than running, greater than. C. Less than startup, greater than. D. Less than rollback, greater than. Answer. A, B, C. 15. The following ACL rule is configured on R1. R1 ACL4 Advance 3000. Rule 10 Deny IP source 0.0.0.255.255.255.255. Which of the following IP addresses can match Rule 10? Multiple choice. A. 10.1.1.255. B. 10.1.1.1. C. 10.1.0.1. D. 10.1.1.254. Answer. A, B, C, D. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.